Hello everyone. Let's learn the correct pronunciation of one of the most common health disorders, and the word is diabetes. It has three syllables. The first syllable is di. It's not dia, as the spellings might suggest. It's di. Then there is short a sound. We stress on b. And the last one is not T's, it's D's. Soft D, like as of D, soft D sound. So you will say it like that, diabetes, diabetes. Say it with me, diabetes. Diabetes is a disease where the body cannot control blood sugar properly. Here is an example sentence. Exercise helps control diabetes. Say the word with me again. Diabetes. Here are some more example sentences. If doctor is explaining the diagnosis, he can say, you have diabetes, which means your blood sugar levels are higher than normal. Or, the test results show that you may have diabetes. We need to start treatment because your diabetes is not well controlled. Your symptoms suggest early diabetes. Now, if you are a doctor, how would you explain that diagnosis to your patient? Let me know in the comments. Where doctor is asking the patient question about her condition. Do you have a family history of diabetes? When were you first diagnosed with diabetes? Are you taking any medication for diabetes? How often do you check your blood sugar for your diabetes? Can you add some more questions in comments? Here are some examples of doctor giving advice. Can you please read these sentences out loud? To practice the pronunciation of the word diabetes. And you can write your own sentences in comments. Here are some examples how patient can tell the doctor about their condition. For example, I was diagnosed with diabetes 5 years ago. You can read the other sentences on the screen to practice. Here are some examples in emergency situation. His blood sugar dropped suddenly due to diabetes. Complications from diabetes can be serious if not treated. Please let me know in the comments, how did you find this explanation of the pronunciation and the example usage? And also tell me that if you were pronouncing this word correctly or not. Have a good day and bye.